Good morning, good afternoon. If you've just watched my video on the unboxing of the gearbox mount, this is the install video. So I've just taken off the undertray underneath the car. And here it is. Right, so this is what you'll be met with when you take your undertray off. Obviously under your engine. You're going to need to get to the back of that car. There it is there. So I've got to remove that. First of all, I need to jack the car up and make it a little bit more safe before I start wriggling any bolts and that. And I can get to work really. So yeah, let me just pause it here and then get started on that. I'm going to remove this tray first. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day to do this. So yeah, I'm just going to jet the car and put some axle stands underneath it, and then make sure it's nice and safe. Probably when I'm done, I might give it a clean up under here as well, so it's looking a bit sorry for itself. Okay, I've done that. So there's an axle stand under there. Going to need some penetrating fluid. So spray it up. Bolt. Sorry. Okay, now after you sprayed it up, let it just soak for a little bit. So there's one bolt, there's two bolt. There's one bolt there, one bolt there, and one bolt there. So you're going to need to spray them up and leave them for a little bit, and then I'll come back and undo them. Okay, well I've left that for a little bit now to soak in there. You're going to need a 15mm spanner. You need the socket wrench over a 16mm socket end. You're also going to need a 13mm socket as well, you can see. So yeah, it's going to be a bit tight, so I'm going to give it a go now, see if I can crack it off. Okay, let's do this. Oh, a bit tight under it. Well, you guys can see, all right. Wow. Okay, that's a 15mm bolt on there as well, so it's not a 16, it's 15. I'm just going to grab one of them. If in doubt, use your torque wrench. Not a big beastie one. The little one's not cutting it. Let's give it a bash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that came off lovely and easy. Lovely. Right. If they all come off like that, then that'd be lovely. It'd be much easier. So you're going to definitely need a 15mm. And you're going to need a breaker bar, long torque, because the extra length will help. And what do I say you need a 13 as well for the other two bolts. I'm going to need a spanner now, for God's sake. Right, I can't find a 30mm spanner anywhere, so I've made my own design. So I found one of these awesome end bits. It's a spanner, but it's one is weird. So I've got that. up in that bolt up there. As you can see. Right, and to get the maximum strength on that bolt, I slid one of these through there. What's this, an extension bar? Yeah, through there, like so. Oh crap. Sorry, it's really hard to do it laying down sideways and holding the camera at the same time. You guys can see. So I'll lay the camera down like there, like that. And you grab it like a handlebar, and you just pull on it, and then it undoes. Done it, undone it. Beautiful. And you can use the same setup for the rest of them as well. So get on the it's a bit fiddly, and you get it in there again. Ugh, like that. Beautiful. Alright, and then on to the next one, which is a bit tight because it's a bit close to the turbo pipe. Can't see. What's this, the hot side or the cold side? I don't know. Hot side, I think. Hot side of the pipe. Is that on there? Back in there again. Oh, fuck. Alright, okay, it's like that. I hope you guys can see it. I cannot see the camera because I'm trying to get this on there. It's easy. It's an easy bit of work to do at home. Shouldn't take too long to do. Just the bolts are obviously pretty tight. Oh, Jesus, that's tight, this one. Fucking hell. Oh, the God, that was tight. I need to put some more penetrating fluid on that one. Well, that one was tight. I got it off though. Problem is with this, right, when it goes all the way around, you get caught on the edge of that pipe. So now you want to undo it, then do it up a little bit, and then go and get a 30mm spanner head like that, and then undo that bolt. The rest of them will be fine. It's just this one because it's quite close to the hot or cold side pipe on the turbo, and they've all been undone now. So I'm just going to take this off, and then yeah, I'll show you when it's off the car. Alright guys, I've taken off the bolts. This is the last one to take off. I will look up the right torque settings in a minute as well to torque these back down. Obviously it's holding the gearbox in place. There's the bolt. Give it a good wriggle. And there we go. There's the old gearbox mount. I'll take it out from under the car. And there we go. There's the old gearbox mount. As you can see, the rubber's not in too bad. It is actually. It's starting to split on the corners. Pretty bad, but look at the amount of gaps there, isn't it? So a lot of movement compared to this one. Yeah, see the amount of difference. So obviously that will just sit in there. So now I've just got to undo that bolt. Right, you're going to want to get this on a vise so you can undo that bolt on there as well. Made a bit of room. Oh god, that bolt's tight. There we go. There we go. And you can remove that. Like so. That bushing in there looks alright. I think whether it needs to be replaced. No, it looks fine to me. So that's alright then. I'll go and get the new torque mount and whack it on. Okay, so I've got a new one. So you just need to slot it on over. Got a new one in. Actually, you know what? No, that's fine. Let's get your washer and your locking nut. There we go. And just tighten it all down and button it all up. Alright, the bolt has got bigger now, so it's not a 15 anymore, that's the old bolt. New bolt is a 19mm socket. Need a spanner as well actually. Right, you're going to need a 19mm spanner and a socket, and you're going to need to tighten that bolt. Just nook it up a little bit until it's on the car, then torque it down. That's all done then, that's all torqued down. And you just want to do a reverse of everything else now. Just make sure the Vibra-Technics logo is pointing the right way up. I'm just going to give that a bit of a clean out in there, just make sure there's no rust or any dirt in there that can stop this from tightening down. So I'm just going to quickly wipe that out. So yeah, make sure you clean that out in there, because believe it or not, there's actually dirt and rust and everything in there. Alright, now you just want to slot the new one in. Make sure the holes line up. Did it up a little bit tight. Need a little bit of movement in it for a minute until you install it. Okay. Relocate your hole. You know what, actually I'll put a little bit of copper grease on there, just give it a bit of a clean up quickly. Get a bit of wire brush. Make sure you just saves in the long run really. Just give it a good old clean up, make sure it was alright. Get your tissue. And grab some copper grease, stick a little bit on there. Because you never know when you're gonna need to take it off. Well, you would never need to take it off again, but you know, just whack a little bit on there. Right, so got a little bit on there, don't need a lot. Don't want it undoing itself. It just makes life easier in the future. Alrighty then. Do that thing. Relocate the hole. So remember, it's a reverse for everything else now. So you're going to need your 15mm socket on there again. Go grab that. Okay, got that on. Now don't forget the other bolts. Need copper grease them up as well. And the other one. Oh, right, getting there, getting there. I hope you guys can see, because I know it's a bit dark under here. Alright, just need to do find the holes right now. Right. Once you've got them in, you can just tighten them up. And then that's what you should be left with. Just tighten up the rest of the bolts. Look up how much it is to torque them down. I'm just about to do that. So yeah, that's the install. Can't wait to see the difference, and I'll get back to you on what it drives like and the feeling and everything like that. So yeah, thanks very much guys for watching this video. I hope it was as helpful. It's really simple actually. I didn't realise how simple it was. You know, you just got to make sure that they're all tightened up properly. And I did have the axle stand on there just in case the engine did decide to rock its ass down towards my face. I'd rather not do that. So yeah, that's the Vibra-Technics installed. So yeah, just remember to clean it all out in there, that's what I say. Okay, and remember to face the logo towards you. Alright, and that's about it, and you're done. Well, I'm going to go button this up now because I can't wait to get it done and finished. And then wait indoors for the rest of my new parts to arrive. I'll give this a thumbs up because I like it. Thanks very much guys for watching. Catch you on the next video. Remember to subscribe and like, and somewhere down here or up here, along here somewhere, subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much, because I will upload things early on there before YouTube. So yeah, see you guys later. Have a good one. I like that. That's very nice.